If you have the burners of the stove rusted and dirty and none of what you have tried works, do not. Since today I will teach you the most effective method to leave the stove screws as new in a few. And with ingredients that you surely already have in your house. To start, we will need a container. Then we will need 70% liquid alcohol, and we will add half a cup. We will also need half a cup of white vinegar. The sorrow stuck to the burners is due to the high accumulation of heavy minerals such as magnesium. Calcium carbonate. This sorrow is evidenced by inlays that stick to some kitchen utensils, pipes, plates, heaters, and... This sorrow can be easily removed with vinegar, and the best thing is that we all have it at home. We will also need to add liquid soap. With adding 2 tablespoons will be more than enough. You can choose the color and aroma of the brand you like the most, since this will give a super smell to our kitchen. Another ingredient that we will need is sodium bicarbonate. From this we add 2 tablespoons and mix very carefully as it tends to make effervescence. Before I forget, I would like to know from what country you are watching this video to send you in the next recipe. Today's greeting is for Andres Julio from Mexico. Thanks for enjoying our tips. Facing the task of cleaning the kitchen requires patience. It is not easy to maintain the hygiene of this place of the house, since due to the daily use, it exposed to dirt, scattered food, the fat of the foods that are stuck to the surface, and much more. The foam has gone down a bit, we reserve. In a medium container, we place our dirty and clay-filled forks. Now we add the mixture that we reserve. And finally, we add half a cup of water. If your forks are full of clay, by just adding the mixture, this will do its job. We move and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that time, you will notice that a large part of the clay and dirt will have come off the... Then if you want to clean a little better, use a brush to rub and finish removing all the fat. Now all that remains is to wash them well and rinse with clean water. If you made it this far, leave me the phrase "new burners," so I will know that you stayed until the end. And if this information seemed useful to you, send it to someone who could be of help.
A alguien que podría serle de ayuda.